To change the angle drive fluid on your Slingshot, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface. Vehicles with AutoDrive leave in neutral. Vehicles with manual transmission leave in gear. Then set the parking brake. Then safely elevate the vehicle using appropriate jack stands. Reference your owner's manual for proper lifting techniques. Next, remove the fill plug located on the left side of the angle drive housing. Now, place a drain pan under the drain plug. Tip: placing a rag at the bottom of the pan will help prevent the splashing of fluid. After this, remove the drain plug and allow the fluid to drain completely. Before reinstalling, clean any dirt or debris from the fill and drain plugs. Inspect the O-rings on both plugs looking for any burrs and nicks. Replace if necessary. Then reinstall the drain plug. Torque to specification. Then add the recommended fluid. Do not overfill. Maintain the fluid level at the bottom edge of the fill hole. Use a syringe to add the fluid. If a syringe is not available, use a funnel and tube to add the fluid. Next, reinstall the fill plug. Torque to specification. Now, clean any residual fluid off the vehicle and inspect for leaks. After this, lower the vehicle completely. Finally, dispose of the used fluid properly at your local recycling center. For more information, see your authorized Slingshot dealer or visit slingshot.polaris.com.